When I went fishing by the brook, I put a wiggly worm on my hook. I toss it in the water and hope with all my might a little fish will swim by and take a little bite. Oh, I got one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. All right, friends, something I love to do when I go to the woods is pick up some sticks. And sticks are great. You can use them to hold a marshmallow or a hot dog. You can use them to make a little fort. You can use them as a musical instrument.
Tap your sticks
In the air with a 1, 2, 3. Tap your sticks on the floor with a 1, 2, 3. Tap your sticks in the air with a 1, 2, 3. Tap your sticks on the floor with a 1, 2, 3. Ready? Good.
Tap your sticks to the right.
Right.
With the 1, 2, 3. Tap your sticks to the left.
Left.
With the 1, 2, 3. Tap your sticks to the right. With the 1, 2, 3. Tap your sticks to the left. With the 1.
All right, now let's rub them together.
Your sticks together.
Good job. Any sticks work.
Shake
Oh,
them
shake them high above you.
above
I got excited to pass them. All right, rub them together.
Rub your sticks together.
Good job.
Pass
Now pass them behind you. Switch hands behind your back. Here we go.
Cross your sticks, tap your knees with the
1, 2, 3.
Tap your sticks end to end with the 1, 2, 3. Cross your sticks, tap your knees with the 1, 2, 3. Tap your
End to
sticks
end.
end to end with the 1, 2, 3.
All right, we're gonna hammer.
Hammer left with the right with the 1, 2, 3. Hammer right with the left with the 1, 2, 3. Hammer
Good.
left with the right with the 1, 2, 3. Hammer right with the left with the 1, 2, 3. Rub your
Sticks together. Good.
Shake them high above.
Shake your sticks high above you.
Rub your sticks together.
Good job. All right, we're gonna pass them behind our backs.
Pass them both behind you.
Let's do a big finish. Here we go.
Tap your sticks in the air with the
1, 2, 3.
Tap your sticks on the floor with the
1, 2, 3.